Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change video canvas on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video here and I want to change the canvas by using the canvas feature that they have. I just selected remove background and selected auto removal. Don't put it on the second track or else the canvas option won't show up. Scroll down, go to canvas, and you can either select a color or you can like blur, or you can select stuff from the patterns here. Totally up to you, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can change the canvas of your videos in CapCut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!